Hi, now we are at the top of Mauna Summit, Hawaii, which is where many of the international observatories are installed. This is a truly awe-inspiring place if you think about the discoveries that humanity's brightest minds make here. This is a rare opportunity for me to visit these sacred grounds and thought I'd share some information about the place with you all. The observatories are situated at about 13,700 feet from the sea level. The reason these are located so high above the sea level is because of few atmospheric characteristics like low humidity, low light and noise pollution, and low cloud cover. As you can see here, we are well above the clouds. There are about 7 to 10 such international observatories installed across the world, and this is one of them. The others are situated in Europe, Chile, Antarctica, and a few other places. So, now we are arriving at the summit, and you can already see some of the observatories as you approach. On the outside of it, they don't seem like much. It's just a shell with a dome on the top. The domes are to protect the telescope from the extreme weather at the summit. These domes can rotate 360 degrees around and capture any part of the sky. There are multiple kinds of telescopes here. One of them is the James Clerk Maxwell Telescope. It is the biggest infrared observatory, which is nearly about 15 meters diameter. Now you may ask, why infrared telescope? Because infrared is a low energy radiation which cannot be easily absorbed by the cosmic clouds. It can reach our Earth's atmosphere very easily. That is why we prefer infrared observatory, infrared telescopes. Another reason the James Clerk Maxwell Telescope is well known is because it was one of the telescopes used to capture an image of the black hole a few years back. An interesting thing about the black hole image captured is that no individual telescope is large enough or powerful enough to capture the image of a black hole all on its own. So, how was the image captured? Well, to capture this image, the scientists had to make various observatories that are spread across the Earth to work together to capture the photons simultaneously, then bring all the data to one place and stitch them all together to get the final image. As you can see, this is a very complex process, and so you can imagine what an incredible scientific achievement this is. Apart from the James Clerk Maxwell Telescope, W.M. Keck Observatory is also situated here, which was involved in imaging stars revolving around the supermassive black hole in our own galaxy, which in many ways provided the first visual confirmation of the existence of the black holes. Beyond this, there are a number of other observatories like the Submillimeter Telescope, which are used for observing very low energy radiations whose wavelengths are of the order of millimeters. Then there is the UK Infrared Telescope, the Subaru Observatory from Japan, and a few other telescopes. As I said initially, this is a truly magical place, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video about the astronomical observatories and the amazing work they are doing here to move forward our understanding of the universe.